In today's video, I want to introduce you to my new favorite power tool for my yard, the Dremel Multi-Max MM35 oscillating tool. I am building a new garden in an old yard, so I need to cut out hundreds of these unwanted tree shoots. In each location where a tree shoot is coming up, I clear away the rocks or soil at the base as much as I can. It's best if you can actually dig down so that you can see the root, but sometimes you just have to settle for the rocks being out of the way. Because I'm cutting in the dirt, the blades wear out pretty quickly. Instead of buying the brand name blades, which are a little expensive, you can get packages of 10 or 15 inexpensive blades and then just toss them in the metal recycling bin when they're no longer sharp. The Dremel allows me to cut in front of the tool, so it's pretty easy to just stick it in the ground, and I can find the root because I can feel the stem or stems vibrating in my other hand. I continue to cut all the way around whatever green part I can see until the root comes free. This is a crabapple shoot that I'm working on right now, but I've also had success with this method in removing dozens of aspen suckers. Another place where the Dremel Multi-Max shines is when you're cutting in tight corners. I originally bought this tool because I had to do some careful trimming around some wood flooring and drywall in a fireplace insert replacement project. Back to my garden, I found this big root in exactly the wrong place and wanted to avoid digging underneath my flagstone. Okay, enough noise. As I finish up removing this tree root, I wanted to let you know that I've put links in the description to the Dremel Multi-Max tool and the inexpensive blades that I use in my garden. The blades are super easy to change. You just spin the knob at the top of the tool, pop the blades in and out. The original kit also came with a great sanding block for using in tight corners. Thanks for watching.